Lily, sometimes I wonder, what's the real purpose of life? We all have our dreams and goals. But does it really matter if the world around us isn't in a better place? I get what you mean, Max. Life's bigger than just me and you. It's about how we help others too, to make the world a better view.
Yeah, you're right. It's like, we can chase all the riches, but if we don't care for the poor, what does it really mean?
That's the thing, Max. A life that's lived alone can leave your heart cold as stone. But a life that cares, a life that shares, builds a world that's truly home.
I guess what you're saying is, we need to care about others, not just our own little bubble, right?
Exactly. When you lift others up, you rise too. It's like a puzzle. Every piece has its part, even if it's tough. If we all pitch in, we make the world less rough.
I get it now. It's about collective action, right? Like when we all help, we get a chain reaction.
Yes, it's the way we grow. Together we flow. A single person can start, but a group makes the art. Helping one soul, or helping many, gives life meaning, keeps hearts steady.
But Lily, how do we start? How can we change things when some people don't care?
It starts with what we know, Max. Knowledge is the seed that helps us grow. Educate the mind, open the heart, and that's where real change can start.
So, you're saying education is key, for you and me, for everyone we see?
That's exactly it, Max. Education isn't just about books. It's about life's good looks. It's learning to share, to care, to be fair. When we teach, we reach. We give people a chance to dream, to shine, to beam.
I guess that makes sense. But what about the people who don't have enough to eat, or a place to stay? How do we fix that?
Well, Max, empathy is the bridge. We don't just look past the poor and the ill. We lend a hand. We take a stand. If we see a need, we plant a seed.
So, it's like, if we see a person in need, we don't turn away. We act indeed.
Yes, don't just say, "It's not my day." Step out and make a way. When you see someone fall, help them stand tall. It's not about fame. It's about playing the game.
I like what you're saying, Lily. It feels good to help, but sometimes it feels like my actions are too small to make a difference.
Max, every step counts, even if it's small. A ripple can turn into a wave. That's how change is made.
So, if I help one person, that's still a win?
Exactly. One person's smile, one person's cheer. It spreads, it moves, it's near. The change you want to see starts with the little things we do. Max, you and me.
It's kind of uplifting, though. You're saying that we can really make a difference, right?
Absolutely. Hope doesn't fade. It's made, with every choice, with every voice. If we each give a bit, we can make the world fit.
I think I understand now. It's not about waiting for others to act. It's about stepping up, making an impact.
Yes, it's a journey, not a race. If we work together, we'll embrace a future bright, full of light, where people care, and hearts take flight.
You know, Lily, this whole idea of helping others, it really feels like something we all can do, no matter how big or small.
Exactly, Max. So, let's promise today that we'll find a way to be kind, to be brave, to lift others, and pave a better day.
I promise. I'll make a change. Starting with my heart. It's time for us all to play our part.
Well said, Max. Let's go make the world a better place, with kindness, love, and a smile on our face.
That you know, Lily, it's strange. I always thought change had to be big, like a giant wave sweeps across everything. But now, I see it's about small waves. Together, they build an ocean.
Yes, Max. Think of a community like a garden. It's not just one flower, it's many. It's people who care, people who share. It's the love we give, the way we live. So, a community grows through support, right? Like when one person struggles, the rest of us should be there to lend a hand? Exactly. Just like a tree, when its branches bend, other branches come to defend. No one should stand alone. Max, in a true community, we're all home.
I like that idea. A place where we all belong, where our hearts beat together, in a shared song.
Yes, the song of kindness, the melody of care. When we're united, there's no despair. In every hand that reaches out, in every voice that lifts a shout, we create a harmony so sweet, it makes the world complete.
But Lily, sometimes it feels like people forget how important kindness is. I mean, in today's world, it's easy to get caught up in our own lives, don't you think?
I understand, Max. The world moves fast, and we're all trying to hold on to something that lasts. But kindness, my friend, is the key. It's like planting a tree, one act at a time, a smile, a word, a hand to hold. These are the things that make us bold.
So, it's like, if we all keep being kind, no matter how small, we'll start to see the change after all.
Exactly. Kindness can be a ripple, spreading far and wide. When you give, you'll always find that kindness comes back to you, in ways you never knew.
That's true. If we all just spread a little love, then the world will rise above. We'll create a world that's safe and kind, a place where hearts are intertwined. I think I've learned something today, Lily. It's not just about waiting for change to come. It's about being the change, right?
Yes, Max. You are the change. We all are. The world reflects who we are inside. So if we fill it with love and care, that's what the world will share.
I promise. I'll do my part. I'll spread kindness. I'll make art. In the way I live, the way I give. It's time to start.
And I promise too. We'll build a world that's bright and new. Together, Max, we'll make a stand. Side by side, hand in hand.
Who knew changing the world could start with a conversation?
It always starts with a thought, Max, and a heart that's willing to care.
Well, I'm ready to make that change.
Me too. Let's rise together, Max. Let's rise.